Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Loop Industries, Inc. quarterly report. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. Loop Industries, Inc. offers a range of businesses and services that cater to the recycling and repurposing of plastic waste. The company's primary focus is on depolymerizing PET plastics and polyester fibers into their base building block monomers. This process allows for the creation of virgin-quality PET resins, which are then used in various applications. Some of the key businesses and services provided by Loop Industries include recycling of plastic bottles, packaging, carpets, and clothing, production of dimethyl terephthalate and monoethylene glycol monomers, creation of virgin-quality PET resins for use in food-grade plastic packaging, supply of polyester fibers for textiles, clothing, and apparel. The company's technology enables the production of high-quality materials that can be used in a variety of consumer products. By repurposing waste plastics, Loop Industries is helping to reduce the environmental impact of plastic waste and promote sustainability in the industry. The stock price of Loop Industries, Inc. Loop has experienced a significant increase of over 17% in the past year, with a notable surge from $0.85 to $2.29 within a short period. Several key news events contributed to this growth. One major factor was the company's progress on its Infinite Loop India project, which included a $1.5 million engineering services agreement and the acquisition of a strategic site in Gujarat, India. This expansion plan demonstrated Loop Industries' commitment to increasing its manufacturing capacity and catering to the growing demand for circular polyester. The launch of Twist TM, a high-performance polyester resin brand, marked another significant milestone. This strategic move aimed at capturing a larger share of the circular fashion industry, which is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Loop Industries also formed strategic alliances with key players in the industry, including Shinkong and Hyosung TNC. These partnerships further solidified the company's position as a leader in the circular polyester market. The announcement of offtake agreements with major brands like Nike and Taro Plast also contributed to the stock price increase. These agreements not only provided a stable revenue stream, but also validated Loop Industries' technology and business model. Finally, the appointment of Spencer Hart as Chief Financial Officer and the company's progress towards commercialization in India and Europe further boosted investor confidence, leading to the significant increase in stock price. The primary drivers of revenue growth for the company can be attributed to several key factors. The India joint venture with Ester has been a significant contributor, generating substantial profits from commercial facilities operations. Additionally, royalties paid for licensing technology and sales/marketing exclusivity have also played a crucial role in driving revenue growth. Other notable contributors include technology licensing, engineering services revenue, sales of Twist circular polyester resin, offtake agreements with major partners such as Nike, and strategic alliances with companies like Shinkong and Hyosung TNC. On the other hand, the primary drivers of revenue decline can be attributed to a few key factors. The most significant contributor to revenue decline is the decrease in sales of Loop PET resin, which declined from $52 to $0. This has had a substantial impact on the company's revenue, contributing significantly to its overall decline. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. According to the extracted summaries, the long-term debt obligation to Investissement Quebec was reduced from $3,291 to $1,519, indicating a decrease in debt level. However, this reduction is not reflected in the overall debt level, which remains unchanged. On the other hand, interest expenses have increased significantly. For the 9-month period ended November 30, 2025, interest expenses rose by $984, while for the full year they increased by $326. These increases suggest that the company's financial obligations are becoming more costly, potentially impacting its bottom line and profitability. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook and strategy. They aim to accelerate the world's shift towards sustainable PET plastic and polyester fiber by closing the plastic loop through infinite recycling without degrading quality. This vision contributes to the global movement towards a circular economy by reducing plastic waste and recovering waste plastic. The company's depolymerization technology has the potential to create a closed-loop system for PET plastic and polyester fiber waste, allowing for the recycling of various types of waste materials. Management plans to expand globally through direct investments and strategic partnerships, focusing on sustainability targets and recycled content mandates in international markets. To achieve these goals, management intends to accelerate the rollout of infinite-loop technology through licensing, scaling the technology efficiently without significant capital investment. This will generate revenue through upfront and recurring royalties. The company also aims to target premium pricing for 100% recycled PET resin and polyester fiber, further contributing to its sustainability targets. Management's strategy is centered around creating a closed-loop system that reduces plastic waste and promotes sustainable practices. By expanding globally and leveraging licensing agreements, the company seeks to drive growth while minimizing capital investment. That concludes the financial summary for Loop Industries, Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.